Good morning, everyone. I know some of you have seen us on other channels, but it's been a while since I've jumped on here and done a live video on our CTP group community here. So I wanted to do a quick video on 3 things you need to know about CTP. So I'm not going to be on here long, just wanted to give you some information. Thanks so much if you're watching the replay and tuning in. Let us know if you're watching the replay or if you're watching live. It's always great to see who's here. Morning, Greta. I see that Greta just joined our group. And again, we're just talking about a few things that you need to know about CTP so we can help you better use our product and understand it. I got some notes here. I almost never take notes, but I got it. So 3 things. The first thing is the benefits. Why I use Complete Truth Protein is because it offers a natural boost of energy. So many times when you are going throughout the day and we don't have the proper nutrients that are easy to digest, utilize, and absorb, we lose the energy levels that we usually have throughout the day, or we're not able to maintain those energy levels. So number 1, a natural boost of energy when you put easy to digest foods in your body. That's what we have, is the boost of energy. That's number 1. Number 2 is digestion. And those energy and digestion go hand in hand. So if you have gas, bloating, indigestion, diarrhea, whatever it may be, if you have these issues, you need a product like Complete Truth Protein to help get your digestive tract on track. So understand that we have 2 main benefits when it comes to CTP. We have energy, natural boost of energy without a crash, and then we have improved digestion. So we just did a 10-day digestion challenge with Complete Truth Protein as one of the 4 different things that we've recommend, and we had fantastic results. And we do on a regular basis because of the ingredients, the clean ingredients, which is quinoa and hemp seeds. In this one here, I'll get into that in a second. And then we have quinoa, hemp seeds, maca, and stevia in the green bag. So, number 2 is the difference. So I want to tell you the difference between the 2 bags because they were designed differently for different reasons or different purposes. So this one here is our original bag. We call it original because it was the first product that we designed. And this was actually meant for smoothies. And we realized it was very natural tasting. We didn't add any type of sweeteners. And it was very organic. So nuts and seeds, it's quinoa. It's going to taste natural. We don't have any artificial synthetic sweeteners or flavors. So that's why we designed this bag. This one has natural sweeteners, stevia. So a lot of times people are like, "Oh my gosh, I can't handle stevia." This is a very different type of stevia. The stevia we used is actually meant for these types of products. So the company we use, it's the white stevia, not the green ones. The green is very how do you say, green tasting, I suppose. And the one we use is for sports performance types of supplements and products. So we have stevia and we have maca. Maca is a natural energy booster. It's actually a root grown up high up in the Andes Mountains. So we only have 4 ingredients: quinoa, stevia, maca, and hemp seeds. So complete proteins. Hemp seeds and quinoa are complete proteins. That's what we're going to put in smoothies. So make sure you're putting this one in smoothies. You don't really want to bake with this one because the stevia gives a different type of flavor if you're not used to stevia in baking. And it's also, the heating may damage the maca health properties as well. So for you to use that one, you can use, we have tons of raw recipes on our Trueform website. We have raw recipes, raw energy balls. We have raw, what do you call them? Bars. What do you call them?
Granola bars.
Thank you. We have raw granola bar recipes as well. So you can use that or smoothies, the green bag. This one here is a fantastic gluten-free flour for baking. So you can put, we have cooking, we have almost 25 shows, I think, of Cooking with Dorothy. She shows you exactly how to use it. That's on our YouTube channel. We're actually, next week, we're going to start putting those videos up every Friday morning in the CTP group. In this group right here, you can watch replays of Cooking with Dorothy to learn exactly how to make healthy baking and how to use Complete Truth Protein. So those are the 2 differences. The green bag is for smoothies. Black and white bag is for baking. And then the last tip I want to share with you, I'm just checking on my notes here, is how to get it. How do you get Complete Truth Protein? As you can tell, we're very connected here on social media. If you want a bag, leave a comment in below and we'll make sure someone gets a hold of you. Or if you want to send a message, send a private message to Dorothy or myself and say, I would like a bag of protein. We do have bags of protein at the Uptown Market in Olds. We also have them at the CLC Fitness Center in Olds if you'd like to go there. And then we have Brenda as a distributor in Didsbury. So if you'd like to have product delivered in Didsbury, we have Michelle in Red Deer, and so you can, if you're in the Red Deer area, we can get Michelle to drop some off, and we have Rose in Edmonton as well. So we have a lot of different options. We ship to wherever you may be. So if you're interested, let us know, and we can definitely set you up. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining us for my 3 tips you need to know about CTP. Have a wonderful weekend, and we hope everything is going well. See you on the next one.